Welcome back to GearLoom, where innovation meets emotion, and every drive tells a story. If you love cars, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a moment of automotive evolution. Today, we step into a car that doesn't just move you, it challenges everything you thought you knew about performance, luxury, and technology. Meet the 2027 Lucid Air Sapphire, a vehicle that redefines what an American supercar can be in the age of electricity. From the very first glance, the Lucid Air Sapphire commands attention. Its sculpted body flows like liquid metal, every line purposeful, every curve functional. The deep, glossy blue paint reflects the world with a mirror-like finish, accentuating its aggressive yet elegant proportions. Up front, the grille is subtle, almost whispering its presence, while slim LED headlights cut through the night like precision blades. The design is futuristic without being alien, a balance of artistry and engineering that feels at once familiar and otherworldly. Side profiles reveal a long, muscular stance, accentuated by perfectly flared wheel arches housing massive alloy wheels. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the aerodynamic mirrors, screams intentional design, optimized for speed and efficiency. The rear is equally commanding, with full-width LED tail lights and a subtle integrated spoiler that hints at the power beneath. Step inside, and the cabin is a sanctuary of calm and sophistication. The panoramic glass canopy floods the interior with natural light, creating a sense of openness rarely seen in a high-performance vehicle. Premium materials surround you, supple leather, brushed aluminum, and polished surfaces that reflect both luxury and technology. At the center, the massive curved display seamlessly merges the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system, offering a futuristic interface that responds to touch, gestures, and natural voice commands. Ambient lighting bathes the cabin in customizable hues, enhancing both mood and focus, while intelligent storage solutions ensure that every inch is functional as well as beautiful. The seats cradle you in comfort, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions that make even the most intense drives effortlessly enjoyable. Beneath this serene shell lies an absolute powerhouse. The Lucid Air Sapphire's tri-motor setup delivers over 1,200 horsepower, with all-wheel drive and instant torque that launches the car from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. There is no engine roar, no exhaust note, just pure, immediate acceleration that grips your senses. Handling is razor-sharp, thanks to advanced torque vectoring and a suspension system tuned for both comfort and precision. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or a sunlit highway, the Air Sapphire moves with a grace and authority that few cars, electric or otherwise, can match. Every push of the pedal feels both thrilling and controlled, a perfect marriage of raw power and engineering finesse. Technology in the Lucid Air Sapphire is as much a part of the experience as the performance. An advanced AR head-up display projects navigation, alerts, and performance data directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while staying fully informed. Connectivity is seamless, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a fully integrated digital ecosystem that anticipates your needs. The sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, immersing you in crystal-clear audio whether you're enjoying a quiet city drive or letting the car stretch its legs on the open road. Safety and assistance systems are seamlessly integrated, ensuring confidence at every turn. Advanced sensors monitor the surroundings, providing lane-keeping assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance. Semi-autonomous capabilities allow the vehicle to manage highway driving and traffic jams, reducing stress while enhancing precision. Each system works in harmony, making the Air Sapphire feel not just fast and luxurious, but also remarkably intelligent. On the road, the Lucid Air Sapphire is a masterclass in blending performance and serenity. Acceleration feels instantaneous yet smooth, corners are navigated with surgical precision, and the suspension absorbs imperfections without sacrificing composure. Despite its immense power, the ride never feels harsh, never overwhelming. The car communicates with the driver through subtle feedback, making every input feel deliberate and rewarding. There is a rhythm to driving this vehicle, a poetry that few cars achieve, electric or otherwise. The Air Sapphire is not just about speed or luxury, it is a statement about the future of the automotive world. It challenges the notion that performance must be loud, that power must announce itself with fire and fury. Instead, it demonstrates that true mastery lies in balance, in combining technology, design, and engineering into a harmonious whole. Driving it, you feel part of a revolution, a movement toward an era where luxury, performance, and sustainability coexist effortlessly. Every detail has been considered to elevate the experience. Door seals, chassis rigidity, and even tire design contribute to an overall feeling of refinement and control. Ergonomics ensure that every control falls naturally to hand, while the seats, steering wheel, and pedals are positioned for both comfort and connection. The cabin is a cocoon, yet you never feel isolated. The car communicates its capabilities constantly, through subtle visual cues, haptic feedback, and the responsiveness of the drivetrain. Whether in traffic, on a winding canyon road, or cruising a coastal highway at sunset, the Lucid Air Sapphire transforms every journey into a cinematic experience. It is a car that demands attention without shouting, that thrills without aggression, and that inspires without pretense. It is simultaneously a tool, a luxury item, and a statement, an electric supercar that is unmistakably American in spirit, yet universally admired for its sophistication and performance. The 2027 Lucid Air Sapphire is more than just a car. It is a vision of what the future can be, a future where speed and elegance coexist, where technology amplifies rather than distracts, and where driving is an emotional, intellectual, and sensory experience. Every journey becomes a story, every road a stage, and every moment behind the wheel a testament to what happens when innovation meets ambition. For those ready to experience the next level of electric performance and luxury, the Lucid Air Sapphire is waiting. It doesn't just transport you from point A to point B, it elevates the very act of driving to art. Welcome to a new era of automotive excellence, where silence speaks louder than engines, precision outshines power, and the future is now. This is the 2027 Lucid Air Sapphire, and it is unlike anything you have ever driven before.